Welcome. We are on a different computer system, so the mic is a little bit different than you're used to, but I wanted to record this. We are proud to present that Japanese is finally complete. Everything to the left, at the top, etc., etc. Everything is going to be working splendidly in the language Japanese. So you can choose lots of languages here at the beginning, and that's the one we're going to try out, and we'll have a look. This is ArcoLinuxD, it can be ArcoLinuxB, D, doesn't matter. Calamaris is now set to know every word in Japanese. So you see the things up here. I would not dare to try to read it. Well, I cannot read it, so I'm gonna go for Mate. Let's see if Mate has also, because I've done XFC in the past, the main desktops will have translations because there's people behind it who are translating everything, right? But the window tiling window managers, these guys, well, there's not much, no menu or anything. So what's the point, really? So the real desktops like Cinnamon and Budgie and GNOME and all the others, they will have translation. So I'm going to try Mate because I've not done it before, and just go for, I think this is next, right? Just by, well, what you're used to do. And even at the very end, you can choose whatever you like, of course, but this is what we as developers and testers use. These are the things we like to install after an installation. Since this is just a video and it will be gone in a few seconds, I'm just gonna do it like this. All the names, everything, you can read Chinese. This is for Japan that we're making this video, and all the others, of course, that are worldwide but can read Japanese. So Belgian is something I need, and gets tricky here. I think this is swap, no swap, and all that. So I'm thinking I should take this guy. This being format everything and swap is none. Hoping that that's it. You can of course also decide to go for encrypting, password, and you have an encrypted system. All right, and let's boot into it. I believe that's that, and then the password, and I say this and this. Without thinking, everything will be just fine. Just don't overthink it because I can't read Japanese. So everything is installing. Let's well, let's not pause the video because of course there are things down here you would like to read, but let's stay quiet for a moment. A quick pause here. All right, we're almost near to the end of the numbers here. You see the max number of applications, and then off we go. For the rest, around 80%, everything gets installed, whatever you selected in Calamaris, around 80%. There, everything is going to be downloaded. You've got a fast internet? Okay, great. Then everything needs to be installed. Do you have a fast computer? All right. So this is going to take quite a bit if you selected a lot in Calamaris. If you say, for instance, I want to have all the software and all the desktops, well, take a bite, walk around the block. It's about, I think, 30 minutes when I do it. It all depends, bandwidth, speed, and speed of the computer. This is, I think, 15 are removed. 15 packages are removed, I think. We did not select anything to be installed, otherwise that would come after that. We can of course go and follow it. Maybe you'd like to know that as well. It's already explained in other videos, but open folder as root, Ctrl H, cache, calamize, session log. It is still busy. That's the most asked question. Is it still busy? Well, you need to open this particular application somehow, but this is a bare system. So what we've done, it's almost finished here. What we've done, and you can use that as well, we open a terminal and you type in def from developer, and developer is going to update everything and also going to put your keyboard to Belgian, so watch out. That's great for me. But also you have at this point in time Sublime text, and then you can see what happens. If it's still busy, you can see it here down the line, if it's busy or not. It's all in here. Okay, it's done, right? This says, I think it's done. And then reboot, and let's have a look at Mate in Japan, or Japanese. I'm curious. We've done it in XFCE. Not sure what the guys of Mate do, because it's not us, right? We just install packages. Done. Question is Japanese supported? Well, this is not a B version. It's not ArcoLinux flagship. It's the D version. And in the D version, you can choose whatever Lego block you want. And you've decided maybe to get SDDM, right? We have decided to use LightDM. That's all you need to remember. Sudo systemctl enable LightDM. It's on the cheat sheet. ArcoLinux.info. Downloads, documents, cheat sheet. I've printed it, it's on there, right? It's on the wall. Sudo systemctl enable LightDM service. Okay. Of course, that's gonna look a little strange. But anyway, then you can still think about, okay, I have, next time I boot up, I have LightDM. It's gonna say, hey Eric, who are you, right? I'm gonna say, I'm Eric, password. Okay. I'm logging in. You can think, is scal needed? In this case, not really. So I'm not gonna do it. I can do it later in another video. We'll see why I'm not doing it, scal. Secondly, are the mirrors okay? Because I'm in Belgium, how about the mirrors? I don't know. So, N mirror list. How about the mirror list? I am getting my stuff from this first line here, server osbeck.com. Control X, I'm getting it from there. Maybe that's not good, maybe it's not fast. How do you know it's fast? Type update, right? Are the numbers coming in very slow? You see the figures there in megabytes per second. You say, oh my God, it's very slow. Then you type in mirror or mirror S or mirror D or mirror, etc. Right? Aliases, check them out. Mirror, more to the top. Mirror, mirror A, mirror D, mirror S. All right, that's it. That's it. Well, of course, an update and a scal and an upall. These things you know already. I do hope. And now we boot in Mate. So curious. All right, it is supported, but not everything. Well, that I don't know. ArcoLinux tool. Well, yeah, I mean Japanese version, yes. So Engrappa did think about changing, not Pluma, so it's not from us, from the guys, from developers, Vim. So some of them have translations behind it because of the developers thinking, hey, I should have Japanese, right? And some don't. And that's how life is. That's how you have to work. There's no way around it. It's not us, it's developers. The only thing we could and can change is maybe make a name behind here for our software, but not for software coming from anywhere else. All right, so why did I not scale? Because this is not an ArcoLinux look, not by far, right? So what happens if you do scale? Let's have a look. If we go to Eric here, and now it's going to be tricky, is that this one I can think? Yeah, etc scale. In here is Control H, all information. Okay, config, tuner information, welcome, auto start, deconf, calculator, and so on. What's at this point in time available in my .config? This is .config. Aha, a lot less. So this is what you're looking at right now. And this is what we have. If you do a scale, you're actually going to say, I'm going to take these guys and put them here. Basically, you're just going to say, copy paste everything over. Probably this button and this button and this button and so on. But we have this easy command that's going to say, oh la la, how do I get to a terminal? Here are terminals. We just say scale, right? And that's the same thing. Now, logging out. Logging out. Is that here? Yep. I guess here. And then we're going to let the settings kick in. After, let's copy scale, get out, get in. And this is now the look. A different look. Our application is there, right? Auto start, update, ArcoLinux mirrors. Boom. That's done. Let's update the mirrors. But it is already done. Just so you know, there is a service running. Every time you reboot, you get a mirror list. So in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, I boot my computer, I'll have a mirror list straight away, a new one. But if for some reason during the day you say, what's this? Control-Alt-W, that's the welcome, the W, and you can click here, or you just type sudo update mirrors, dash mirrors. Okay, so this is a completely different look because it's applying now our systems, our settings. The theme, icons, this is ArcoLinux. The other one was ArcoLinux look. Of course, Japanese still the same. It's just settings that were copy pasted over. And that gives you an idea again. How would it look? How would Japanese, how would an ArcoLinux mate look in Japanese? And maybe you've learned some more about scale and all that. All right, have fun with ArcoLinux. Bye.